Let me show you how you guys can delete all liked videos on TikTok. It's pretty simple. You want to click on profile at the bottom of your screen and click on the three line at the top right of your screen. Now you can only fix this problem by reporting it to TikTok staff because there is no such button on TikTok settings that's going to help you fix it. So you have to ask for TikTok staff help. Click on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down, click on report a problem. Scroll a bit down and click on over here where it says account and profile, and click on where it says profile page. Click on where it says other, click on need more help at the bottom, and over here talk with TikTok staff, explain your problem to them. You want to write this: hey, I want you to help me remove all my liked videos for privacy reasons. Can you help me do that? Click on the send button, it'll be sent, and TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix the problem. And as you guys can see, they have replied. Now if you're getting this information, that basically means you haven't explained your problem pretty much well, so make sure to explain it, or you can just click on others at the top. They're showing you other option over here and choose it from other. Just talk with TikTok staff and they'll help you fix this issue, okay? Because this is the only way you guys can fix this at this moment. And if nothing works, just delete your TikTok account and create a new one. That's the only option you'll have. Hope I was able to help you guys. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.